Imagine the joy of sinking your teeth into a perfectly crispy potato chip or a golden French fry, fresh from the bubbling oil. For many home cooks, deep frying has remained a tantalizing yet daunting culinary adventure, one typically reserved for the professionals. The potential for mess, burns, and the sheer complexity of the process often keeps us at bay. But what if we could bring that restaurant-quality crunch into our own kitchens? Number 1. Breville Smart Fryer. Whether you're a deep frying beginner or a disciple of the crispy crunch, Breville's Smart Fryer is a great choice. It's simple to set up and use, and we love that its control panel displays the current oil temperature and time remaining to reach the target. There's an emergency shutoff in case the machine senses too low a level of oil, or if it heats above 410 degrees Fahrenheit. We're not trying to risk a burn for delicious fried foods. In testing, the Smart Fryer dominated the competition in heating, bringing its full gallon of oil to 300 degrees Fahrenheit in 6 minutes. That's 3 minutes faster than even second place. It made crunchy potato chips and crisp, juicy chicken fingers, though it didn't do quite as well with frozen French fries at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, near the top of its temperature range. Some fries came out perfectly, while others were a bit greasy and underdone. The Breville's cooking programs are useful and effective, with fresh and frozen settings for common foods like fries, wings, fish, and donuts. Number 2. All-Clad Fryer, a frying game-changer. Say goodbye to messy cleanups with the All-Clad Fryer. Simply turn the handle to drain oil through an internal filtration system into a removable box, making reuse and disposal a breeze. Its dishwasher-safe parts and stunning mirror finish keep your kitchen looking sharp. In testing, this fryer delivered perfectly crunchy chicken fingers, though its 3.5 quart capacity means frying in small batches is best. It heats accurately, though a bit slower than some competitors. If you prioritize performance and style over capacity and cost, the All-Clad Fryer is a fantastic choice for any skill level. Number 3. The Hamilton Beach Professional Style Deep Fryer is an affordable and efficient appliance, measuring 11 by 13 by 15 inches with a 4.7 quart capacity. With 1,800 watts of power, it heats quickly and excels at frying frozen foods like chicken fingers and French fries. However, it struggles with fresh potato slices, resulting in greasy chips. Key features: 3 basket design, 1 full-size and 2 half-size baskets for frying multiple items simultaneously. User-friendly. Simple temperature knob and indicator light make it easy to use. Overall, this fryer offers great value for money, making it a solid choice for home cooks seeking reliable performance. Specifications. Dimensions: 11 by 13 by 15 inches. Capacity: 4.7 quarts. Power: 1,800 watts. Temperature range: 265